Shiba Inu is up 115% in the last 7 days. We're chilling at a $12.3 billion market cap right now, and a 24-hour volume of $4.4 billion. Let that sink in that a meme coin is currently the 12th highest overall in market cap and 6th highest in overall volume. This is market territory that they have no right being anywhere near, yet here we are. And let me tell you folks, it is looking spicy heading into this 2024 bull run, which we have now had confirmation is starting earlier than everyone expected it to, officially making it the first bull run in crypto history to start before the Bitcoin halving, which isn't expected for about another 49 days yet. And that has some quite interesting implications actually for the entire market, because that effectively invalidates the 4-year cycle theory, which is widely regarded by most analysts as the strongest and most reliable trend in the entire market. So by breaking that trend, we are potentially losing a massive amount of predictability in the market, which could lead to some very erratic price action. But what does all of that mean for Shiba? What price levels can we be expecting this bull run? Will we see a new all-time high? And will you drop a like on this video? Let's find out. Alright, first let me just manage your expectations. Is Shiba going to hit $1? No. Can Shiba make me a millionaire? Unless you're investing hundreds of thousands of dollars, no. And the reason for that is the market cap is already too high. To put it in context, if Shiba reached $1, the market cap would be $592 quadrillion. Now that we got that out of the way, what price can we expect? Let's have a look at the charts. Quick disclaimer so we don't get sued. Buying is at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. My price prediction is purely speculation and does not equate to any sort of financial advice. Also want to quickly shout out to BingX Exchange, my favorite place to trade. Super low fees, no KYC required, and you can now get 20% off all your trading fees if you sign up using my link in the pinned comment. Alright, here we are on the Shiba chart. As you can see, this massive run up here in the last few days. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to abbreviate the prices here, just to save saying a bunch of zeros. So we're going to say this is the 234 level we hit here. And you can see we have the 20 level here, which did act as resistance for a little bit, but is now being flipped as support, and it has been acting as that for the past day or so. But if we look at our higher time frame chart here, you can see this level that we rejected from here is actually very close to this historical level that we have here back in 2022, which did act as support on multiple occasions, and then ultimately was the trigger for this massive move downwards here. But if we zoom out further, you can see we are still miles away from our all-time high here, around the 88 level. Ton of room to grow here in the bull run even before we get to the all-time high. I've gone ahead and marked out some significant levels on the chart that we want to look out for here. Now the interesting thing with meme coins is they are predominantly traded by retail investors with not much experience in the market, and when that's the case we tend to see a lot more price action around psychological price milestones. Like you can see here on this first line at the 30 level acted as both significant support and resistance, and that's purely because a lot of people would both buy and sell at this level, so it would be a price target for a lot of people. And that is the same story all the way up here. You can see around the 40 level, same story, 50 level, same story. So when you're trading something that jumps between these milestones like this, the best way to trade that is to buy when we're sitting on significant support like we are here at the 20 level, and then you would want to be taking your profits just before we hit these psychological milestones. So say if we're looking at this 30 level, you would want to take profits at 29 instead, because you know loads of people are going to sell at the 30 level, so it's going to reject at that level. And then you can copy that same strategy all the way up here, and that sets you up for a very strong basic trading strategy, both for spot and futures trading. If you're trading futures, you would want to buy while we're sitting on a support here, and go long and take profits just before the next milestone. And that also allows you to set a very tight stop loss just below the support level, say at 1.9 or 1.8. Now being a high volume altcoin, you will of course see very high volatility, especially during a bull run, so you do need to be careful trading stuff like this, especially if you're trading futures. Make sure you have tight stop losses set, and most importantly make sure you're not overexposing yourself on one trade. If you did enjoy the video, a like for the YouTube algorithm and a sub to the channel would be greatly appreciated. I've been me, you've been you, thanks for watching, and see you later.